lọ́jọ́ àyájọ́ ìṣirò káàkiri Dr. Bisi Anyadike ó ṣe bẹbẹ yàtọ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tá à ń wí yìí. Ọdún ayẹyẹ ìṣirò ìyá kúkú ṣe lọ́gbà iléèwé gíga Obafemi Awolowo nílùú Ifẹ̀ ni. Bisi Anyadike ọ̀mọ̀wé tó dángájíá, ẹni tó ní Sunshine School nílùú Ifẹ̀, ó kó àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ọlọ́pọlọ pípé, àwọn ọ̀mọ̀wé tó mọ̀wé tó tún mọnú rò púpọ̀. Gbogbo wọn pátákó gbogbo nìyá kó wá sí ìlú Ifẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ náà tọ́jọ̀gbọ́n Ìbíyínká Ògúnládé ó ṣe kò kárí alága níbi ìjókòó ọjọ́ náà. Lọ́jọ́ ayẹyẹ ìṣirò nìyá pé tó nílé tẹlẹ́mù gbogbo àwọn ọmọ iléèwé káàkiri, iléèwé alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti iléèwé girama, gbogbo wọn ló péjú pésẹ̀ níbẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ náà. Bí àwọn iléèwé tó wọ bíi 17 ni wọ́n péjú pésẹ̀ níbi ayẹyẹ ìṣirò èyí tí ìyá pè ní Ife Maths Fest 2024. Àkíkúrú ni mo kúkú wí, Ife Mathematics Festival 2024. Lọ́dún yìí náà kúkú ni oríṣiríṣi ètò: mathematics and cooking, mathematics and music, lónírúurú, ìṣirò pẹ̀lú orin kíkọ, ìṣirò pẹ̀lú oúnjẹ, ìṣirò nínú ilé, ìṣirò lóko, àti gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀yà, gbogbo àwọn tá a fi ń kọ́ni lóníranran ni ìyá kúkú kó wá síbẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tuntun ni ìyá kúkú tún pé ọ̀mọ̀wé tó tún mọnú rò, dókítà, kì í ṣe dókítà tábẹ́rẹ́, ọ̀mọ̀wé Kẹ́hìndé Emmanuel ọmọ Adẹ́nẹ̀gàn nílùú Ọ̀wọ̀, olùkọ́ àgbà l'Adéyẹmí Federal University of Education l'Ondo Ẹ̀gì, ẹni tó ń kọ́ ìṣirò lédè Yorùbá, òun náà tún wá dá gelúgelú lọ́jọ́ tá à ń wí yìí. Àwọn ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán àti oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ni ọ̀mọ̀wé Adẹ́nẹ̀gàn tún kó wá sílùú Ifẹ̀ láti tún ṣàpèjúwe àti sọ nípa ìṣirò kíkọ́ lédè Yorùbá àti ẹwà èdè lọ́jọ́ náà. Pòfẹ́sọ̀ tó ju pòfẹ́sọ̀, ọ̀mọ̀wé tó ju ọ̀mọ̀wé, ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n tó ju ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n, ọlọ́gbọ́n tó ń fi ọgbọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n àtọgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ṣayé, Pòfẹ́sọ̀ Anna Ajayi, òun ló kúkú ṣe gbàgede tó ṣí gbàgede ètò lọ́jọ́ tá à ń wí yìí, tí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ń lọ káàkiri. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá sọ wípé ìsọ̀ ọjà, bí wọ́n ti ń kúrò ní ìsọ̀ kìíní náà lọ ìsọ̀ kejì, ìsọ̀ kẹta, lóríṣiríṣi láti lè lọ kọ́ ìmọ̀ lórí ìṣirò. Ìṣirò ṣe pàtàkì, ó ṣe kókó nínú ẹ̀kọ́ ọmọléèwé pátákórógódó. Ìyẹn ló ṣe pàtàkì tó mú kí Dr. Bisi Anyadike, olùdásílẹ̀ Sunshine Nursery and Primary School Ile Ife, láti wá ṣe àjọyọ̀ ọjọ́ ìṣirò, wípé kí gbogbo ọmọdé àti olùkọ́ pátákórógódó kí gbogbo wọn péjọ láti lè tún wo ọ̀nà àgbà tá a fi lè kọ́ ìṣirò. Lọ́jọ́ náà, Pòfẹ́sọ̀ Olújẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ àti Pòfẹ́sọ̀ Adéyínká Adéṣínà, wọ́n sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá, wọ́n tún kẹ̀kẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀ láti sọ fún tolórí tẹlẹ́mù, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn olùkọ́, pàtàkì láti ṣe ohun tó yẹ àti móríyá láti lè mú kí gbogbo ọmọ àtọmọ kékeré àtọmọ girama pátákórógódó kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ìṣirò kíkọ́ àti mímọ̀. Gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n fi onírúurú ètò balẹ̀ láti sọ fún mi wípé ká fẹ́ràn ìṣirò, nítorí pé ìṣirò wà fún gbogbo wa pátápátá ó sì wà ní ibi gbogbo káàkiri káfàtà. Iṣẹ́ ò bá pẹ́ ni ẹnìkan kì í pẹ́ṣẹ́ ni wọ́n fi kíní ọ̀hún ṣe lọ́jọ́ náà. Àwa pè wá ká túyàyà ká wo fọ́nrán yìí kí gbogbo wa fẹ́ràn ìṣirò, ká sọ fáwọn ọmọ wa tilé tó kó wípé ìṣirò dùn, ìṣirò rọrùn púpọ̀, ìṣirò ó wà fún afẹ́ ṣíṣe, ìṣirò wà fún gbogbo wa pátá porongodo, ká fẹ́ràn ìṣirò ló dùn jù. In a celebration of mathematics and education, Ife Mathematics Festival, Christ Ife Math Fest 2024, was held at the Obafemi Awolowo University, in Ife, Nigeria, on Pi Day, which is universally celebrated on March 14th, coinciding with the digits 314. The event brought together educators, students, and experts in the field of mathematics to discuss and address challenges in teaching the subject effectively. During the festival, renowned mathematicians Professor Philip Olujegede and Professor Adeyinka Adishino took the stage to address the issue of poor mathematics teaching methods in schools. They emphasized the importance of engaging students through interactive and practical learning experiences to enhance their understanding and appreciation of mathematics.
It's for everyone. Changing deeply held beliefs about mathematics and its teaching and learning that handicap love for mathematics. Before I start, let me give you a very brief story. The first woman I fell in love with was my primary school teacher.
In his address, Professor Adeyinka Adishino, who is the Dean of the Faculty of Science in the university, pictured mathematics as a fun and for everyone by changing the deeply held beliefs about the dreaded subject and its teaching and learning that had handicapped people's love for mathematics. Meanwhile, Professor Olujegede, who is the first professor of computer science education in Nigeria, with solid backgrounds in mathematics, both at first degree and master's level.
When you enter the class in the morning, the first thing that timetable, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 3, then 12, till 12 times 12. And the teacher will look like this, and be looking around for who will came, that we miss. That will be long chains like this. You will have cried your eyes out in the morning, at the beginning, before teaching. And so, anytime it's mathematics time, teachers of mathematics are like demons.
Presented learning mathematics in a digital world. It bemoaned the primitive way of teaching the age-long subject when there is dynamism in the technological world to aid teaching and learning processes. One of the highlights of the festival was the presence of Dr. Kehinde Emmanuel Adeneko, a Yoruba mathematics class teacher known for his innovative teaching methods and dedication to promoting mathematical literacy among students. Dr. Adeneko's unique approach to teaching mathematics has garnered attention and praise from both colleagues and students alike.
Kí ni à ń pe orúkọ àwòrán tí mo yà bí eléyìí ní Yorùbá? Àwòrán tí mo yà kí là ń pè ní Yorùbá?
Yorùbá.
Èèyàn atẹ́pẹrẹsẹ ni, ṣùgbọ́n ó ní orúkọ tí à ń pè. Wọ́n pè ní triangle, ṣùgbọ́n ṣe òyìnbó nìyẹn. Lórí triangle mẹ́ta, máa dáhùn. À ń pè ní èèyà onígun mẹ́ta. Èèyà onígun mẹ́ta. Where two lines meet, you call it an angle. So igun kìíní ni igun kejì ní igun kẹta ìyẹn èèyà onígun mẹ́ta. Màá tún béèrè ìbéèrè mìíràn. Kí ni à ń pè 24 ní èdè ní òǹkà Yorùbá 24?
Náwó kó tó dáhùn o.
Ẹ bá mi pàtẹ́wọ́ fún onímẹ́rìnlélógún.
Adenegan staged a presentation on the use of Yoruba indigenous language in teaching mathematics. He encouraged teachers to embrace this new strategy and see if the trend will not change. Use your indigenous language to teach topical content with the use of local and reachable instructional materials, and you will see that math is fun and is for everyone. Kehinde Adenegan remarked.
The festival, and I will ask Professor Ajayi to come and formally open it. Just announce the festival open. When will it be here?
The Maths Festival was organized by Dr. Bisi Anyadike, a passionate advocate for improving mathematics education in Nigeria, with a vision to inspire young minds and cultivate a love for numbers. Dr. Anyadike brought together 17 schools to participate in the festival, creating a platform for collaboration and knowledge sharing among educators and students. While welcoming guests and participants, Dr. Anyadike, whose husband, Professor Anyadike, was also present, appreciated the good efforts of the two keynote address presenters for their key roles in her life at a time she never knew anything good can come out of her mathematics Jerusalem. She openly acknowledged their impact and encouraged other teachers to make mathematics interesting and fun, and not otherwise. Enthusiastically, Bisi Anyadike was very excited about the innovation of Dr. Kehinde Adenegan on his Yoruba mathematics class YMC on YouTube, which is a very significant approach in this dispensation for the teaching profession. Earlier, in her opening remark, the chairperson of the festival, Professor Ibiyinka Ogunlade, the director of the Popular Children in Science and Technology CIST Center, ably represented by Dr. Mrs. Agbalajobi of the Department of Political Science of the Obafemi Awolowo University, said that the Ife Math Fest is the right step in the right direction to nurture young minds in the science education, which mathematics is a veritable tool. She encouraged the noble participants to make good use of the program to enrich their knowledge and expertise. While declaring the festival open, Professor Mrs. Ellen Ajayi, the Dean of the OAU Institute of Education, welcomed the participants to the foremost university and advised
mathematics is wow. Mathematics is wow. Mathematics is wow. So this is another session.
Students and teachers to be inspired by what they see, learn, and do at the remarkable Mathematics Festival. More significantly, the CEO of Obsolete Innovation, Mr. Olatunde Timothy Adekunle, and Mr. Olawale Olaosebikon, a PhD expert, were also invited to speak to the teachers during the workshop session on the need to use new techniques and technologies such as coding and PhD to support the teaching and learning of mathematics to make it more fun and interesting. Overall, the Ife Maths Festival served as a beacon of hope for transforming mathematics education in Nigeria, showcasing innovative approaches and fostering a community dedicated to empowering future generations through the power of numbers. While concluding the event, awards were given to the keynote address presenters and the chairperson, Professor Mrs. Ibiyinka Ogunlade, and other students who excelled in the Olympiad who were decorated with medals at the end of the program. It was indeed a remarkable event, a remarkable program that has left indelible marks in the memory of both the students and the teachers.
Let me see what you mean. This? Okay, that's the slide. I know that.
Mo kí ọ̀tá mo kí ó pé o. Mo kí ọ̀tá mo kí ó pé o. Dá mi lónìí. Ọ̀tá o, òpè ọ̀fọ́n lóòótọ́ o. Òpè ọ̀fọ́n lóòótọ́ o. Òpè olè fọ́n. Ti rí ń tọ́jẹ ti rí. Ayọ̀ ọlọ́pàá ò ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ọjọ́ orí.
Kò ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìwé.
Kò ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìwé. Ó ti wí ni ẹ̀. Ṣé mathematics and cheese board ń wà ní àbí popcorn? Mathematics and Maths.
Kàkiri táwa yìí, a rí pé ẹ̀yin náà gbé àkọlé ìṣirò àti orin. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá tún gbé
Keyboard.
tí lórí àbí. Kí ni ìṣe pẹ̀lú ìṣirò? Ṣé ẹ̀jẹ̀ sà?
Wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀ pa tàbí orin, music generally, mathematics. Àwọn ẹlòmíì wọ́n ní mathematics fún àwọn sáré lò bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n máa gbẹ́ orin wọ́n làwọn gbọ́ wọ́n á gbé ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n pé problem mathematics láti tún bá mi. Ẹgbẹ́ yìí tún ṣe yes wọ́n ní wọ́n pé problem mathematics ní ìgbà táwọn tún bá mi. Ẹni kì í ṣe àwò tí wọ́n ní kì í ṣe àwò wọ́n kọ́ lọ sí definition mathematics àti music. Mathematics is an abstract science of figures. What is it? Combination of sounds. Kí ni correlation fún wa ní what is it for mathematics are abstract? They don't see because they don't see. So they are not abstract. Sort of like music and the element of three major elements and rhythm, melody and harmony. And the streamlined sọ̀rọ̀ yìí and rhythm and the tone. No, sọ̀rọ̀ mi kì í jẹ́ melody and but ọba sọ pé rhythm náà gbogbo àná la máa wọ pé rhythm ọba pé rhythm gbogbo la pé mathematics. Rhythm ni movement of flow of musical sound. Time signature kan ń lò nínú rhythm 4/4 ẹjọ́ ṣáà ti lo figure bẹ́ẹ̀ 2/4 tàbí 2/2 3/4 ṣé figure kan náà ń lò bẹ́ẹ̀. 12 to 12.
highest score so here, this is a game of love, but based on what you pick. But what we do is that we are using it to learn addition and subtraction. Where you have negative, for example, I have this is minus. If the first one is 3, the next one is minus 2, the next one is 4. 3 and 4. 3 minus 4. But if it is 4 is the first one you pick, and the second one is 6, then it is 4 minus 2. So we are taking that in mathematics under number line, when it is minus, 3 minus 4 is not the same as 4 minus 6. But minus is not complicated. For addition and multiplication and combination, we did not take division yet because we are going to be to have decimal or different kind of things where we do this kind of thing. Those
fingers again. 10. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We call them counting numbers. Is that okay? Yes. Now let us do something. If you pick 1 and you had another number between 1 and 3. Wait. Let's say 1 plus 1. 2. Is 2 between 1 to 10? Okay, let me write on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. God will continue to
in all sectors. So teachers, please, now as police, let's talk to one another. But until there is a problem, we talk about a solution. Let me say this. The last speaker was talking about how people navigated difficulties in mathematics. The MC spoke about the challenge in mathematics. I'm going to tell you that myself, I wasn't spared that trouble. Let me make a confession that will surprise you this afternoon. Do you want to hear that? I passed mathematics only twice in secondary school. Is that straight to you? I scored 72 first time in Form 1. I scored 72 more in Form 5. That time we didn't have SS3. Can you imagine that? And I entered the university to study mathematics. First degree, second degree, pure mathematics. Before later, I started talking about education and now I'm talking about ICT and computer education. Preparation to bring digitalization to the classroom. The first one is that we need to support facilities. You know, some of these things is easy to talk about them. How do we deploy them? Can teachers on his own, a teacher of mathematics on his own, deploy digital tool? Even if he has it on the Android, how does it get communicated with the students? The schools also has role to play, proprietors, principals, school owners, and it's a collective effort. It's not what the teachers alone can do. The support facilities, we also need the support system. In other words, internet connections and electricity, these are issues.
It is not something that happens every time. It's an innovation.